This is the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. It's Friday, 2 p.m. Eastern Time, 2 hours left to go in the trading day, and we got markets near record territory. S&P's up 18 points, trading at 3,024. Dow Jones up 12 points right now, trading at 27,153. NASDAQ positive by 89 points, trading at 83.27. Gold contract up about $4 at $14.19. Notes and bonds, pretty tame day. 10 years flat at 127.08. 30 years up 4 ticks, 154.14. Dollar index with strength up 218 ticks at 97.770. We'll start things off. Let's jump over to the futures markets. We'll start it off with the Dow. So we were higher, this morning, especially in the Dow. As you'll see, it'll differ a little bit compared to the NASDAQ and the S&P. You have the Dow up at 27,180. We're off about 50 points from that level, trading 27,132. NASDAQ 100, as I mentioned, right up there near highs, 8,032. S&P 500, much the same. We were up there a point or two higher within about the last hour, currently trading 3,024. Crude oil market above $56, but barely, 56.06. And the gold contract with some volatility around the 830 GDP number spiked up to 14.24, currently trading at 14.1894. The news of the day, among many things, is the DOJ announcing agreement on a $26 billion merger between T-Mobile and Sprint. That deal going on for about a year, and that looks to be coming down the line to be finalized. TMUS for T-Mobile. Those shares up almost 5%, had been as high as 85.22. Sprint shares up about 6%, had been a bit higher on that news as well. You saw it as I switched over to the charts. How about Google? Up 10.5%, adding $120 to their share price just since the close last night. Not bad. On the flip side, Amazon with their earnings last night, disappointing on the earnings per share, actually beating on revenue, but down 1.8%. Intel, also interesting. I'll get that in there. INTC, down about 0.8%, had been much higher, actually pulling lower. You got McDonald's out with their earnings as well, up about 0.5%. Stay tuned, folks. We got our man Dave White coming up right now with the Power Trading Hour, live from 2 till 3 Eastern Time. Tom O'Brien live from 3 till 4 as we wrap up the 2 final hours of this trading week with markets in positive territory. Stay tuned, folks. Dave White coming up right now.